Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for all the latest in car reviews, updates, and everything automotive. Today we've got a first look at the 2025 Cadillac CTS car that promises to redefine what we expect from a luxury sedan. Let's get into it. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Cadillac CTS is sleek, bold, and aggressive, but still undeniably luxurious. The front end features Cadillac's signature vertical lighting elements, now updated with a more futuristic look, paired with a wide, aggressive grille. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, creating a dynamic profile that's both elegant and athletic. Cadillac has kept the essence of its design language intact, but refined it for a more modern aesthetic. The rear features sharp, distinctive taillights and a bold, athletic stance that really catches your eye. The CTS doesn't just look like a luxury sedan, it looks like it means business. Now, let's talk performance. Cadillac has always been about combining power and comfort, and the 2025 CTS is no exception. The new model comes with multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, a powerful 3.0-liter V6, and a hybrid variant for those looking for more efficiency. The V6 engine in particular delivers an impressive 335 horsepower paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tight corners, the CTS feels planted and responsive thanks to an updated suspension system and available all-wheel drive. Step inside, and it's clear that Cadillac has taken the interior experience to the next level. The cabin is a blend of modern tech and traditional craftsmanship. We've got leather seating, real wood accents, and a dashboard that's dominated by a massive 12-inch curved OLED display. The infotainment system is intuitive and integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system runs on Cadillac's new user interface, which is faster and more responsive than ever. And let's not forget the premium sound system Bose, of course, delivering crystal clear audio for your favorite playlists. But it's not just about the looks or the performance. The 2025 CTS is packed with technology and safety features. With Cadillac's Super Cruise, the CTS offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities on highways. Plus, you've got a suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Super Cruise is one of those features that truly sets Cadillac apart. It can handle most driving situations on the highway, making long road trips that much more relaxing. It's a glimpse into the future of driving, and Cadillac is leading the charge. So who's the 2025 Cadillac CTS for? Well, if you're someone who values a combination of luxury, tech, and performance, this is a car you're going to want to keep your eyes on. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a cross-country road trip, the CTS is designed to deliver an experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable. With its striking design, refined performance, and cutting-edge tech, the 2025 Cadillac CTS is setting a new standard for what a luxury sedan can be. Cadillac has truly outdone itself this time. What do you think of the 2025 Cadillac CTS? Is it everything you expected from Cadillac's next-generation sedan? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The future of luxury sedans is here, and it's got a Cadillac badge on it.